India is my country and I am an Indian. India is 7th largest country in the world. It is also called as Bharat or Hindustan. India became independent from British rule on 15th August 1947. India is a country with many languages, religions, castes and cultures. India is a land of agriculture and farming. India has many historical monuments like Taj Mahal, Qutub Minar, Red Fort, which attracts people from all over the world. National signs are pride of the nation, the India. We have national flag, national festivals, national flower, national fruit, national bird, national animal, national song, national anthem, national emblem, national river and national currency, the rupee. National flag. It is a horizontal tricolor with saffron at the top, white at the center and green at the bottom. It has navy blue colored circle with 24 spokes in it. It is known as Ashok Chakra. National festivals. National festivals are celebrated all over the country. Independence Day, Republic Day and 2nd October, Gandhi Jayanti are our national festivals. National flower. Lotus is our national flower. It is a symbol of our culture. National fruit. Mango is our national fruit. It is very sweet and tasty. National bird. Peacock is our national bird. It is very colorful and beautiful. National animal. Tiger is our national animal. It is a very strong and powerful animal. National song. Vande Mataram is our national song. Now let us sing together Vande Mataram. Come on. Vande Mataram, Vande Mataram, Sujalam, Sufalam, Malayaj Sheetalam, Sasya Shamala, Mataram, Vande Mataram. Shubhra Jyotsna Pulakitayaminim Pullakusumita Drumadala Shobhinim Suhasinim Sumadurabhashinim Sukhadam Varadam Mataram Vande Mataram, Vande Mataram, Vande Mataram. National Anthem. Jana Gana Mana by Rabindranath Tagore is our national anthem. Now let us sing our national anthem. Friends, remember, whenever you sing or listen to our national anthem, you have to always stand with pride and respect. Jana Gana Mana Adinayak Jaya He Bharat Bhagya Vidhata Punjab Sindh Gujarat Maratha Dravida Utkal Banga Vindhya Himachal Yamuna Ganga Uchchal Jaladi Taranga तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मागे गाहे तव जय गाथा जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे भारत माता की जय वंदे मातरम National emblem. This is our national emblem. It also consists motto of our nation Satyameva Jayate. National river. Ganga is our national river. It is the biggest river of our country. National currency. Rupee is our national currency. This is the symbol of rupee. Points to remember. We should always respect our national signs. We should feel proud about our nation and national signs. Match the column. National flower. Which is our national flower? Come on, tell me. Right, lotus is our national flower. National animal. Which is our national animal? Tell me. Right, tiger is our national animal. National bird. Which is our national bird? Come on fast, I told you. Right, peacock is our national bird. National song. Which is our national song? Right, Vande Mataram is our national song. National currency. Which is our national currency? Come on fast. Yes, rupee is our national currency. So, lotus is our national flower. Tiger is our national animal. Peacock is our national bird. Vande Mataram is our national song. And rupee is our national currency. True or false? सारे जहां से अच्छा is our national anthem. True or false? Yes, false. Our national flag has 10 colors. True or false? Come on, tell me. Yes, false. Peacock is our national bird. True or false? Remember I told you earlier? Yes, true. Rupee is our national currency. True or false? Come on fast. Yes, true. Fill in the blanks. Dash is our national fruit. Come on, tell me which is our national fruit. Yes, right. Mango is our national fruit. Dash is our national river. Come on, tell me which is our national river. Right. Ganga is our national river. Dash is our national animal. Come on, tell me which is our national animal. Right. Tiger is our national animal. So, mango is our national fruit. Ganga is our national river. And tiger is our national animal.